Hi, this is our next gen project that we completed ourselves. This was an outdoor kitchen that was 7 or 8 years old. That was a steel frame with a stucco finish. The stucco started to peel, so we looked for a product that we could go over the top with. We found the next gen and we couldn't be happier. As you can see, the colors of the stone match everything in our yard, from the pergola to the furniture to the color of the siding. It's a little difficult to see because we're kind of in the shade. One of the things that made the next gen great was the fact that it didn't require any special tools. All of the tools needed were things that we already had around the house. And with the ability to cut and add your own tongue and groove with waste pieces or off-fall, we were able to do this whole front using just a couple of panels, even with all of these cuts. In fact, we were actually able to send 4 full pieces back for full credit. One thing I definitely want to point out is that this is a finished product. As you can see, down here where we made cuts, this right here was kind of just a plain yellowish finish after you make the cut. All credit to my wife. She came back with the paint that was supplied, or the paint match kit, and she touched up and matched the different color stone on all of the cuts. It looks great and was, well, I'll say not that difficult because I basically just watched. It took a little bit of time and definitely a learning curve, but as you can see, the next gen turned out great. We couldn't be happier, and we think this is a great product, and we would definitely recommend it to everyone. Here's one final walk around the entire project.